Welcome to my video on resell rights, how to work less and make more. This is a resell rights vault video. In the United States, a large percentage of the population is employed. If you are one of those individuals, you likely already know how difficult it can be to make money. However, many workers aren't just making money for the fun of it, many have to financially support themselves or a family. Unfortunately, most jobs require hard work and long hours. You may find that your current job is taking important things away from your life, mostly your time. Instead of learning to manage this unfortunate occurrence, you are advised to do something about it. You can easily find another way to make money. When it comes to making money, there are many individuals who flock to the internet. Online you will literally find an unlimited number of business opportunities. Many of these opportunities promise you unlimited income with little or no work. While many of these business opportunities can be considered scams, there are some that are legitimate. One of those legitimate opportunities involves acquiring the private label resell rights to a particular product. After you have acquired the resell rights, it will then be your ability to sell the product. One of the many reasons why obtaining the resell rights, and then selling a private label product is so nice is because you do not have to do most of the work. For instance, if you purchase the resell rights to an ebook, or a software program, you will not have to create the ebook or software program. This is ideal because the development of these products not only takes time, but special talent or skill. Private label resell rights allow you to skip the hard work, and concentrate on selling the product. One of the most common questions asked, when it comes to private label resell rights, is why the original author or developer can't sell their own work. The reality is that they can, however, most choose not to. For many professional writers or software designers, they make most of their money when they are creating a new product. This means that many like to focus solely on doing that. In turn, they will rely on someone else to get their products to potential customers. Selling a product, which you have acquired the resell rights to, often sounds like a commission-based program. These types of programs are available, but that is not how private label resell rights work. You will outright pay the author, developer, or anyone else who is selling their product for the rights to resell it. This means that any money you acquire from the sale of an ebook or software program, you can keep. To make money off of this opportunity, you will have to sell the product that you have. This is where the work will come in, but it is not what you may expect. Since you will be working as your own boss and you will be in control of the money that you want to make. Therefore, you can choose your own hours. Many resell right owners spend most of their time advertising or marketing their product to the general public. This marketing may take time, but you can also look for quick methods of selling. These methods may include, but are not limited to, standard websites with quick checkouts or online auction sites. As you can easily see, there are a number of benefits to acquiring the resell rights to a private label product, such as an ebook, mass collection of articles, or a software program. Not only can you make money, but you can also decide how much or how little time you want to work. What could be better than that? Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified.